In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell gift cards on Square. Now, the first thing you have to do is, of course, open your dashboard, and then you want to go to the left here and click on Items and Services, Gift Cards, and then from here you want to go to e-gift cards, or of course plastic gift cards, and you want to click on Configure. Now, for the first time you do this, you'll be able to basically set this up. I do have a separate video which is called How to Create a Gift Card on Square, so you can go watch that first, and I'm gonna go through the setup process over there. But for me right now over here, I've done that already. So as you can see, I can just basically sell gift cards by enabling these two things or just one of them. So if you want to use, of course, the Square Point of Sale app and you want to sell gift cards in store, you can enable that. And then from here, if you want to sell them online, you can enable this as well. And then from here, click on Save. Now, of course, you can scroll down and here you can basically change things. You can manage your designs. You could go and, of course, allow bulk editing, etc. And of course, you can let customers send e-gift cards by text message as well. Okay, so that's essentially how to sell gift cards. All you have to do is enable this once you have set these up. Now you have plastic gift cards over here as well, where you can basically order them if you want to and then sell these too. Okay, so I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.